this weekend, we are at the Nile Village Hotel and Spa, where comfort and luxury live. Actually, their tagline is comfort and luxury on the Nile.
Today, we bring you this show right here in Jinja at a lovely place called the Nile Village Hotel and Spa. My name is Enoch Nsubuga, and I'm so excited to be here. Jinja will always remain at heart. Now, we take you on a room tour. Hey Bill. Hey. Jackie, give us this room tour, please.
So as soon as I walked in, I noticed the floor and I was like, wow. And Enoch just said, so the wall, this shape, it's a semicircle kind of, it's oval. Those things. Oval, it's oval?
Yeah.
So the fact that you're able to notice the space, that's contemporary.
Okay.
Contemporary is like, it's a cool thing. It's not the obvious square, it's not the obvious corner wall.
What do you think of our dining here?
It's nice. It's a four-seater. When you have these, anybody can go. I can easily navigate through and find my way there, and we'll all have, a nice meal. So this I love for about 2-3 reasons. Right. This table comes right after the wall at the entrance. As you walk in, you find this wall, and it leads you to this beautiful corner. The console table, it's for 2 reasons or 3. Okay. At the entryway, it's really cool to have something at your entryway. So it usually acts like your entryway table.
Okay.
Yes, so it's console because of the shape and the way it looks. That's the name they call it.
I could rest my khakis.
Yes, anything you want here. It's like your entry table. But also because it does have a mirror, you can even use it. Yeah, so it's a really cool thing to have a mirror in your living room. It brings light to a space because you realize when you walk in, there you have 2 doors, the one at the entrance and that room where you're about to take you in a bit. So you don't have, apart from the door, and there is a hallway, this is a hotel room. So this mirror here helps bring light. It gives you a window because it's facing a window right behind us. This whole area is like your entryway, your entry area when you walk in. Because imagine if it was just vacant and we walked in, showed you the dining and just went past an empty wall, it would feel so empty and not nice. But the other reason I was telling Enoch the difference between modern space and contemporary, it's very thin. You see, with modern space, this wood is a traditional thing, but the lines are clean. So when you see from your eye, it looks like it's very tough, but then it's comfortable, it's smooth to touch. And the same as the couch, which you're gonna meet in a bit. It's modern, it looks strong, but it's very, very comfy. So what I love, like I said, the modern furniture here looks too strong, looks tough on the eye, but when you touch it, it's really smooth, it's comfy. When you see the difference, but when you look at it, it's like it's half too strong. I also love the coffee table. It does blend so well with the floor. Do you see the color coordination? And of course that too, that's really nice. And the shelves, they're really nice. That's an accent. So it's an accent, like room accents, like how you'd have a footstool, some little stools around. So that's an accent stool, and it's really nice the way it is. It's like a small tea that's shaped, and it's coordinating well. It brings in the African vibe in this room. So there we have our coffee on the shelf and whatnot. And the other thing, of course, who doesn't love curtains? Now the white chairs, of course, white chairs do bring a lot of class to a space.
White what?
Chairs. Of course, the white chairs do blend so well with the blue. The curtains are really nice. You see the fabric, it's really nice. It's classy. It's not printed, it's just clean, it's plain colors. Also, when I turn here, I love this.
Green?
No, the fact that it's glass.
Okay.
I love the fact that it's a glass
Door.
the glass door, and again it's got that shape that Enoch and I cannot agree on.
Oval.
So that shape, again, we get to see the use of shape. That's what makes this room really, really cool. It's time to move to our bedroom.
And now, the magic room. So, Jackie, what do you love about this room?
Everything. I love, 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 love. I love the beds. I love the way the bed is shaped, really. You can see it's really nice bed. I love how the room is totally cohesive. It's really coordinated. The blue on the curtains is also on the bed throws and the, and the cushions.
There's something I love about this arrangement. The canopy and stuff like that. What do you think, Jackie?
I agree with you. In most classy rooms, in a classy contemporary space like we are at the Nile Village, this is what you expect. A canopy, not just a canopy, but you see that wood around it that makes it look rich and expensive, and it's matching with the bed. It's really nice. Look at the headboard. Like we've seen some beds do not have headboards. This is a really nice headboard. Matches the canopy, matches the the bedside tables, and then this the cutest bedside tables. Look at them. See? It's really nice. I love the way they played with the shape. It's just, you wouldn't understand how to describe it, but it's really lovely, and I love that. So there's also another console table here that just blends really well with the rest of the furniture in this space, with these chairs. And by the way, you see the discordant chairs. It's a cool thing. It's a trending thing. You can even have 4 totally different looking chairs on a dining or any space. So this mismatch, it's a trend.
So before you came, when I checked in, I tried to do something about our wardrobe. What do you think? Did I get it right?
You tried. You did a good job. It's a really nice, it's our closet. It's open. It's easy. You just drop everything. You have to drop the shoes. Of course, shoes are always on the low rack. Luggage. You did a great job. I got nothing to say about it. It's perfect.
So since I checked in before you, I managed to move around. So I would say I know this room better than you.
I agree.
And guess what? This door right here, glass door, leads us to our bathroom. Would you like to check it out?
Absolutely. Let's go.